Hey family, it's Shaz. In this video, I'm going to cover a huge misconception I see and hopefully save you hours of your time from trying to go viral. If you're posting online, building a personal brand on YouTube, Instagram, whatever platform, for the sole purpose of getting leads, sales calls, and clients, then going viral will not help you. I'm going to break down exactly why that is. This is coming from someone that's booked hundreds, approaching thousands of sales calls for myself and for my clients and generated tens of thousands of dollars in revenue using this exact same framework. I have not gone viral once, but I still book in 1 to 2 sales calls every single day from my social media and my personal brand. So let's break it down. Now, I'm going to use this very simple graph to explain exactly why posting viral content online will not attract the right type of people to your business. One of the biggest rules in business that I try to employ and do for my company is serve people with money, right? And people with money have a big understanding of business. If you serve people that have no money, it's very hard to get them a guaranteed result. And it's just very hard to work with them because they don't understand the game, right? It's much easier to close someone that's worth 8 figures than to close someone that's not worth, $100,000, right? It's the truth. It sounds flipped, but trust me, it's so much easier. People that have a lot of money, if you give them good value and you give them a good proposition, they'll just hand you their credit card and you just do the work. If you do it with the opposite, people don't have money, it's very hard to close those people. So work with rich people, and this funnel is going to attract people by not going viral. It's an anti-viral method, if you will. So on the left here, we have people's business level. I just put it into 1, 2, and 3 to make it very simple. Obviously, 3 is people that are a higher business level. 1 is people that are just starting out. And then you have people's business understanding. So either you have a beginner or advanced understanding of business, or you fall somewhere in between. All right, so those are what we're working with here. Business understanding and business level. Now, again, let's just draw a line out here. Now, people at business level 3, meaning they're making a lot of money online, they maybe have employees, they've been running a successful business for a while, they're profitable, all this stuff. This requires a high level understanding of business, right? If it intersects somewhere on this graph right here. If you're at business level 3, which is again just made up, but you're doing well in business, you have to have some type of understanding of advanced business, how stuff works, how to build sales funnels, how to build an offer, how to build a team, stuff like that. These are the people you want to be attracting with your content. All right. The opposite applies. If you're at a 1 level in business, you're making, a few $100s a month, or you're just starting, or you have under 5 clients, whatever it is, you have a very beginner understanding of business. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's just what it is. Now, working again with these people, like I mentioned, is much harder than working with these people that are advanced, that understand the game, that have money. All right. Now let's break this down in terms of creating content. How do we actually attract people up here and not people down here on their business journey? I'm going to also show you where viral content comes in, because you don't have to be doing much of it, but it is necessary. All right, now let's talk about content creation, creating videos that attracts these type of people. Again, we established, so we want to attract people at a business level 3 understanding, meaning they have money, they understand the game of business. And given that they're at this level of business, again, they have an advanced understanding of business. We want to attract these people with our content, not necessarily these people down here that are just starting in their journey. All right, and this is exactly why a lot of people are going viral and they're seeing no results. We're trying to attract people that are at a business level 3 and that inherently have an advanced level of understanding of business. Why would you create any content to the left of this orange line here? Why would you create beginner content? Why would you do that? Because all it does is attract people in the beginner stages. All right. To attract advanced people that have money, that understand the game of business, you have to create advanced content to the right of this orange line right here. Right? If it doesn't make sense, let me put it to you this way. If I make a top 10 AI software's videos to use, who is that going to attract? Most likely, that falls around here. That video would be around here. Top 10 AI softwares to use to scale your business. It will get a lot of views. It'll do really well. I'll probably get a bunch of email signups. Cool. But it's attracting, this type of audience to the left here, right? Which is, again, beginners that don't have money, that don't really can invest in themselves and get to the next level yet, all right? And viral content, again, I will show you where that comes into line later, all right? But this video will do very well, the top 10 AI tools to scale your business, but it's only going to attract beginners. Now, if I were to make a video about this is the best type of sales funnel to increase your ROAS, or your ROAS, your return on ad spend, right? Beginners to the left of this, they won't understand what that means, right? Or it won't be applicable. They might know what ROAS is, return on ad spend is, okay? They understand what that concept is, but they're not running ads. They won't have to understand that video, meaning they don't click. Now, the people that need to understand this video, they are the people that are running ads. They're doing a few $100s or $1,000 a day in ads, and they need a new sales funnel to increase the ad spend, right? Because they're spending $10,000 a month in ads or something, crazy like that. These people, again, they have money. They're an advanced understanding of business. If you create advanced content, then they will see it, right? The algorithms, I've talked about this in many other videos, especially on YouTube, right? Which is where I recommend everyone starting. their content journey and their personal branding journey. I have a 72-page free document and community down below about using YouTube and AI to build a personal brand and attract your dream clients and all that stuff. YouTube is the way to go. The YouTube algorithm will give this video to the people that can see it, right? Because again, the beginner audience is not going to even click on this because it's not applicable to them. The people that click on this video, it's going to be applicable to them, right? 9 times out of 10. Sure, well, a few of these beginner people, again, nothing wrong with beginner people, it's just where they are in business. Will they click on the video just to learn and understand? Yes, but the majority of the people that watch these videos, especially long form, that's why I recommend YouTube, they're going to click on the video so they can implement it and they can learn and they can apply it to their business. All right, so that is what I mean. Why would you ever make content that does not attract the right type of person? And the way to create content that attracts the right type of people, business level 3 people, is to create advanced content, niche content, stuff that only people with advanced level of business understand. All right. So the more you dumb down your content and the more you make trendy videos and use trendy sounds and make top 10 like crazy videos that are super broad, the more you're going to attract beginner people. But going viral is not always the worst thing. I'm going to show you why that is applicable in most case scenarios and should be still a major part of your content strategy. Now for my people that are posting viral content, I know I've been talking down on you this whole time, but it is still necessary. But again, it's not better than posting that niche content that I described. They'll actually attract these types of people that you want to work with. So I think it's like 70% niche down content and then 30% broad viral content, if you will. And the reason you still have to post viral content is because you have to feed the content funnel. If you don't know what the content funnel is, again, I have a whole free training down below that you could claim and learn about it. But a brief summary is that you have top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, and then you collect cash, you get clients at the bottom. All right, so top of funnel is broad, right? As it goes down, it gets broad, then it gets skinnier. Top of funnel is broad, middle of funnel is educating, bottom of the funnel is turning those educated viewers into calls and clients. So this would be viral content. Let's put a V here. Viral content is top 10 videos, trending sound videos, talking about AI. That's a big trend right now as well. That's sort of the field I'm in. Viral content is necessary to bring as many people as possible into the funnel. All right. So when they get in the funnel, then obviously you want to work them down to get the money at the bottom. So when they get into the funnel here, then the next type of videos you have to produce are educating content. That's how to, that's more niche content. And then this stuff at the bottom is sort of what I was talking about. It's very, very niche content. Very, very niche content that falls to the right of the scale that only advanced people would understand. All right. And then when people see that advanced content, like, oh, this really speaks to me. Oh, he really knows what he's doing. This is very for me. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Then they get on a call with you and then, you close them and you make money. All right. So viral content is still needed because it's very hard to get people to the bottom of the funnel, if they can't come through the top of the funnel. Like if they don't get to here, it's very hard to get them down here. All right. So viral content is still applicable. And also another big note is that people are at different stages in their journey. All right. For example, you should be creating content forever. You have to build a personal brand forever. AI is coming and personal branding is probably the one thing AI cannot replace. So start content now and never stop it. Fall in love with the process and do it. I've been posting for over a year now. I absolutely love it. I will not stop because it makes me money and it hedges me against AI. All right. Given that, people, as you post, people will start to learn more and get further in their business's journey. For example, let's again have this line right here. You're making content that's very specific. And then these people on this side, they don't understand it. Cool. Well, someone that's here, right, maybe 3, 4, 5 months ago, they're slowly learning and they're creeping up and they're scaling their own business in the background and they're still watching your content and they're still watching your content. And then boom, finally they cross this threshold right here on the graph. And now they understand your content and now they're booking a call and now they close. All right. And if you want to get these types of people in that slowly, gradually, climb up, you need viral content. All right. Because so people grow. I give people the benefit of the doubt. If they're actually taking action in the business, like everyone says they are, but I know a lot of people aren't. If they're actually taking action, then over time, months pass, they'll actually start to grow. They'll make money, they'll learn, and then they'll start to understand my content more, and then they might buy from me in the future. All right. And to get all these people that slowly learn, again, you have to create viral content. You have to just bring pure eyeballs into your content ecosystem. All right. So understand the content funnel. You still have to post viral content, but again, I would say this is like 30% of the game. And the rest of this stuff here would be like 70% of the game, if not more. All right. Because viral content, again, if you're posting a lot of viral content, you're going to attract people that have no money, no experience, and be hard to work with, stuff like that. You rather attract these people at the bottom here, right? One of these leads down here is worth like 100 of these leads up here, right? People from just the beginning stages of the business. So that is my take on why you should stop posting viral content, why it might be killing your success, and why you might be going crazy over it. If you're getting 200 views on a short form video, right? That's a very average. People say you're stuck in 200 views jail. Think about how many people 200 views is, right? If you're getting 200 views from the right audience, from this advanced audience on every single short form video, consider that a W, right? Then you have to fix your conversion mechanisms and the stuff you do after and your sales call structure and all this stuff, which again, I have a free training with down below. But it's a very good start for you to start posting niche down authority content and stop posting viral content because it's a waste of time. Those trending sounds aren't going to do you any good, but don't completely abandon it, like I said. So that's my take on posting viral content. If you want to book a free call with me down below to strategize this for your business and also use AI in the process to make it faster, go ahead and book it there. I have a free community and 72-page guide on how to do all this stuff I just talked about down below. I'll watch this video next. It's just as helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.